Okay, in this next video, I'm gonna show you, it's really quick video, okay? I'm just gonna show you how I wrap my lumpia. And this is a secret that I know a lot of you would wanna learn because I know how frustrating it is to make your lumpia and you think it's all nice and tight, but once you drop it in the oil, it just explode. It just burst open. So if you guys are interested, sit tight and watch my video. Okay, so this is how I do it. I use Ziploc bag to put my lumpia meat. All right. This makes my life so much easier because, as you know, lumpia is my business. I sell them, so when I get so much order, it just makes this so much easier to do. Let me just get my scissors. All right, so you just have to cut it like a 1/4 inch. That size works for me, but you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. It's really all up to you. But 1/4 inch is perfect. And this is how I wrap my lumpia. I know it's probably nothing special, but this makes my lumpia looking nice. Do another one. All right, so once you do this, make sure you soak that part. Soak it properly, okay? It's very important. I'm only gonna be cooking about 3 pieces just to test it and just to show you that this is straight from after wrapping. I didn't freeze it. Typically when people drop it in the oil like this, once they drop it, you know, some people would experience it exploding. But this one, and also once you hear this loud bubbly noise, that means it's almost ready. You probably have a minute or 2 left cooking. You see how nice it looks? Nice and tight. And once it starts floating to the top, that means it's ready. And here it is. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a taste test. I have my lumpia here. Okay. See how beautiful it came out? It didn't burst. It's just beautiful. So I have my lumpia here. I have the sweet chili sauce for the lumpia. And of course, I have my drink. So sit back, and it's still hot. All right, so I'll just wait a few minutes. Okay, let's go take the taste test. Let me dip it in the sauce. Oh my god. Oh shit. It's so good. Delicious. If you want my recipe, actually I'm gonna be making another video showing you. You won't believe this, but I don't measure when I make my lumpia. Simple ingredients: pork, shrimp, garlic, onion, lots of it, carrots, salt and pepper. That's it. Pretty basic, huh? But it's just, the taste is amazing. Simply amazing. You know, simple ingredients, great taste. My second one. It's so flavorful, and you have all the flavor intact inside because it's sealed properly. Wow. It is really good. But I'm gonna put my ingredients, but I'll just eyeball everything because that's how I make my lumpia. A lot of people, they think I'm just not sharing my recipe, but it's really, you're gonna see it on my next video. I'll show you, it's eyeball everything. Okay. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, that's what I'm drinking here. I got a gin and tonic. Oh, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling generous, subscribe. Alright? I'll see you soon.